Hey friends, it's Miss Jessica from the Discovery Center. I am going to show you today how to make a really cool bubble wand. Okay, so what you need is a pipe cleaner, beads, and bubble solution. So, first we're gonna start with shaping the pipe cleaner. I have it shaped as a heart. You can do any shape you want. I started probably about halfway down the pipe cleaner and bent it, and then did kind of a wrap around, leaving room for a little, almost looks like a balloon, like this. So then I just kind of stretched it out a little bit and found the middle and pointed down with my finger and pushed it to make it a heart. Now you could do any shape. You could do a circle, you could do a square, you could do a triangle. It still all works the same. So then you're going to take some beads and bead up the middle part of the wand. Any kind of pony beads work best. So you'll do that for a while. You can make any design you want. You can make any pattern you want. I'm just kind of choosing any random color. But I think rainbow would look amazing. So you're going to keep going until you reach the end or the desired length that will fit your hand. I'm going to stop there. So what I do here is I bend it and kind of make a little circle knot and just twist the rest of it around that circle knot, so the beads don't fly out when you're using it as a bubble wand. So that is basically how you make your own. So then it should work when you dip it in bubbles. Kind of hard to get it, but it does work. Thank you.